Well, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ClouDolus YouTube channel, everyone. So today we are going to download, install, and configure our VMware Workstation Pro for Windows, which is also free. So for that, you search the VMware into the search bar. Just type VMware and then enter. Once you enter, then you will be find the official site, which is also a VMware.com. This is the official site. Also find the desktop hypervisor and VMware Orchestration Pro for now available for personal user. So just to go into the VMware Orchestration Pro, now available free for personal user. When you find this interface, then you will go the down and then find the VMware Fusion for download, also Orchestration Pro download. This is our required download exe file. So just click on that. When click on, and then you will be find a logging interface. So if you are a registered user, then just use this your user email and go into the main dashboard. But if you not a registered user, then we'll go a logging interface, then click the register, and then you will be find the registration form for register. Once you find this registration form, then you will use this email address for create a account. So just input your email address and then type text capture in this field, and then you just click next. Then you will find the verification code through your email address. So just go into your email address and find this code and just copy and then paste, then verify and continue. So once you verify and continue, then you will be find the complete your registration form. So input your full name, last name, country, job title, and create your password. So carefully you create a password, and then when so done, then just check mark I accept the terms of use, and then create account. Once you done create account button click, then you will be find the pop-up which is also another options, input your address, other things, and then in that case just I will do later, and then skip. After then you find the logging option. Just now close it and go to the logging option. Just input your email address and just remember, and then next. Then you redirect the customer signed logging systems. Once this is required 2 times, then you will use this email address again and input your password, and then sign in. When you sign in complete, then you will find the main dashboards. So this is our registration complete. So after this complete registration, you will go back to your this first link. So then you start, just go down and again click on VMware Orchestration Pro download. Just click, and then you will find a main dashboard and find this main exe file for download. So once you find this VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows, also there have a lot of different options and version for different ways. So we'll go with the VMware Workstation Pro 17.0 for Windows. So for that we just click on VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows. Once you click, then you will be find the version release, and then we will go with the latest version, which is 17.6.1. so which is the latest version. Just click on that. Then you will find the download option, but download option is unable to download because left side top corner just check mark this I agree the terms and condition, then you will be able to download options enable. So then you will pop up the verification for proceed the download. Then just click on yes, and yes for yes, then you will be find the another options, which is also redirect compliance verification option. So where you input your name and address. Once you done, then you will just check mark the agree and submit. After submission, you will be find the download option. So start download, and download is starting. So in this moment, how was the video? If you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget subscribe. And if you have any questions about whole process, please comment your comment sections, and waiting for the completing download. So then you will go for the installation process. So wait for completing download. So once you done our download complete, then we'll find our exe file. So open this folder. then just select this our exe file and run as an administrator. Then installation preparing. After installation preparing, you just select and then next, and then check mark I agree, and then next, and then installation path, just select on next and next, and desktop shortcut also program folder, then next and install. So after click the installation process, then an installation process is beginning. So when it's complete the installation process, then we'll go for the main features, our VMware Workstation Pro dashboard. Once you've done installation complete, then you will just click the finish. After finish, you just press the Windows button and open this applications, and then you will be find the option where is need enter your license option. But in that case, just select use this VMware Workstation 17 for personal user. Just select one and then continue and then finish. So after finish, you will find the Workstation Pro 70 for use and create a fast virtual machine in this Windows systems. So this is overall how to download an installation process Workstation Pro for Windows system. So if you have any questions overall videos, then you will do comment your comment section. So that's for today. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget subscribe. So take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.